Go, go.
Oh, keep stepping.
Hi,
Good
boo-boo.
job, baby. Step, baby.
Hi, boo-boo.
Oh, mommy. Fix her. Here we go. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go. Step, baby. Yeah.
Action.
Hold on. Hold on. Okay, go, baby. Step. Hold on. See, this is where it works against me. Go, baby. Step, step. Step, step. Yeah, good job, baby.
I am so happy. Yes, I am. You're so good. You gonna walk around and get your ducky? Oh, you can do it. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, you can do
Come on,
it.
baby, stand up.
Yay! Good girl.
Okay, you want to get the ducky?
Yeah. Let's get ducky.
Come on.
I want my duck.
Come on, let's walk around. Let go, come on. Oh, you don't want to let go? You don't want the ducky? Come on. Come on. Walk, walk. 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 Good job. You want to sit and play with him, or do you want to walk some more? No, we're going to try and stand up on the coffee table now. Here we go. Here we go. Stand up, Layla. Good job.
All by yourself.
And there's the ducky. We're going to fall. There goes Daddy's magazine.
You're trying to climb on top. Baby.
Layla, where you going?
Baby doll.
Hi. Hi.
She's gonna go from there to there.
Can you reach? Can you reach? Come on. Come here. Do you see something over there you want? Yep, told you, Daddy's mad. Now she's trying to climb up.
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
There we go.
I climbed all the way over here just for that.
There's your cell phone. There's your duck.
I think you're on hold, Leela.